Hello students. Now first we will study English. Okay, for this take out your notebook, this one, English copy. You have two notebook, one is CW and another one is HW. And now first open your CW copy, English CW copy, and in this page what you have to write, you have to mention the date CW, and with the help of your parents write the question. What is the question? Write in cursive capital letter I, J, K. So today we are going to learn about I, J and K. Okay, so like this I have drawn some lines in the board just like your copy. Now I will show you how you have to write cursive capital letter I, cursive capital letter J, and after that we will do cursive capital letter K. Okay, so look here. For cursive capital letter I, start from here and after that do like this. This is cursive capital letter I. First a curved line, then a straight line, then again a curved line. This is cursive capital letter I. Curved line, straight line, then curved line. Now after tracing this letter in next line, what you have to do? You have to write it by yourself. So from here you have to start. Curved line, straight line, curved line. Then again you have to write curved line, straight line, curved line. First like this, then this, then this. Okay, so this is which letter? This is cursive capital letter I. Now next one is cursive capital letter J. Look, J and this I look similar, right? But J is little bit big, and in J there is a curved line up to this. So we have to, in J this straight line is bigger than I, and at the end we have to cross this line. Okay, so how you will write J? You have to start from here like I, then you have to do a curved line, then a big standing line, then again a curved line like this. This is J, cursive capital letter J. Like this, curved line, a long standing line, then again a curved line. Curved line, long standing line, then again a curved line. This is cursive capital letter J. Now after this, after tracing this letter, what you have to do? You have to write it by yourself. So first make a curved line like this, then draw a standing line up to this last line, then you have to cross this line in this way. This is cursive capital letter J. Curved line, standing line, curved line, curved line, standing line, then curved line. Okay, so this is cursive capital letter I and this is cursive capital letter J. Now we will do cursive capital letter K. Okay, now we will do what? This is cursive capital letter K. Now we will write cursive capital letter K. So for this, first you have to start from here. Okay, draw a curved line, then a straight line, then again a curved line like this, and after that make two legs like this. One is up and another one is down. From here you have to make a curved line like this, then you have to go down. Okay, this is cursive capital letter K. Curved line, straight line, curved line, again curved line like this, this is cursive capital letter K. Curved line, straight line, curved line, again curved line like this. Again curved line, straight line, curved line, again curved line like this. This is cursive capital letter K. Curved line, straight line, curved line, again curved line like this. again we have to trace the letter K. First curved line, then straight line, then again curved line, then again two curved lines like this. This is cursive capital letter K. Now in this line we have to write it by ourselves. So from here you have to start like this. First draw a curved line, then a straight line up to this third line, okay? Then make a curved line like this. Then you have to draw another curved line from here to here, then from here to down like this. This is cursive capital letter K. Cursive capital letter K. So today how many letters we have learned? 3 letters, I, J and K. So we have learned cursive capital letter from A to K. Now we will do a revision from A to K. Okay, now we will do the revision from cursive capital letter A to K. Okay, don't write this in your copy. We will just revise this. So which letter is this? This is cursive capital letter A, cursive capital letter B, cursive capital letter C, cursive capital letter D, cursive capital letter E, cursive capital letter F, cursive capital letter G, cursive capital letter H, cursive capital letter I, cursive capital letter J and cursive capital letter K. So learn this all in your home and practice this cursive capital letter from A to K in your home, okay? And write this question and in your CW copy like this, and tell your parents to write this I, J and I, J and K in separate page like this. Then you have to write it by yourself, okay? And in this way you have to write this cursive capital letter I, J and K in your HW copy also. So this is your homework. Okay, now we will do maths. For maths, first take out your notebook. This is your notebook CW copy and this is your HW copy. First take out your CW copy and you have to write in your CW copy like this. You have to mention the date, write CW in your CW copy. Then with the help of your parents, write this question. What is the question? Write counting numbers 1 to 20. Now after writing this, what you have to do, this is the page of your math copy. Like this I have made this page in the board. Now you have to tell your parents to write from 1 to 20 in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then leave one box, leave one line. Then here in this third line, what you have to do, you have to trace the number like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you are writing numbers, counting numbers, leave one box. First write one number, then leave one box, then write another number in this way, okay? And after completing this line, you have to leave a line. Then in third line you have to start writing, and in third line you have to trace. After tracing this number, again you have to leave this line. Then from here you have to write it by yourself like this in the copy. Look at this copy. In this way you have to write. I have written 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I have given you to trace these numbers. Then after that I have given the dots. In these dots you have to write it by yourself. Okay, so in first page 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, up to 7 you have to write. Then in second page you have to start from here, from number 8, 8 9 10. When you are writing 10, write 1 in another box and 0 in another box, separate box. Okay, then 11 in separate box, 2 this 1 and 1 in separate box, then 12 1 in separate box, 2 in separate box. Okay, in this way you have to write up to 15. Then after this, on the next page write 16 17 18 19 and 20. Then you have to trace and then you have to write it by yourself. Now I will show you in the board how you will write in the copy. Now look here, it is already written. Now what you have to do here, you have to trace the numbers like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and here the dots are given, so here I have to write it by myself. Okay, so like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again I have to write from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now we will start in another page from 8 to 15. Now 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 is already written here. Now in this row we have to trace the numbers. Okay, like this is 8, so you have to trace the number 8, then 9, 1 in this box and 0 in another box, 1 0 10, 1 in another box, 1 in another box, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15. Now after tracing these numbers you have to write it by yourself. So first write 8, then 9, then 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, and 1 5 15. Now after completing up to 15, in the next page you have to start from 16. Okay, now we will start writing from 16 to 20 in another page. So 16 17 18 19 20 is already written here. Now here I have to trace these numbers like this: 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 2 0 20. Now here I have to write it by myself: 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, and 2 0 20. In this way you have to do this in your CW copy, and then this is your homework for notebook. What is the question? Write number counting from 1 to 20. In this way you have to write in your HW copy also. Okay, now take out your maths book. This is your maths book. Let's count 1 to 100, this one, and come to page number 90. Today we are going to do page number 90 and 91. So today we have done 1 to 20 in our notebook. Now again we will do the revision. In your book, look here in page number 90. It is written revision from 1 to 20. So can you see this box? And in this box 1 is already written, and 2 and 3 you have to trace, and in other box you have to write it by yourself. Like this, same thing I have made in the board. So look at the board how you have to fill this box. Okay, now look, 1 is already written here, and 2 we have to trace like this, 2, then 3, and after 3 there is there is nothing, right? So we have to fill it by ourselves. Okay, so 1 2 3, after 3 4, then 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 0 10. After 10 start 11 from here. 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19 and 2 0 20. So up to from 1 to 20 you have to write in this box. So in this way you have to fill all this box. Okay, so this page is your homework, page number 90, and turn the page and come to page number 91, this one. In this page also you have to write from 1 to 20, same like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 up to 20. So this page is also your homework. Okay, now take out your another math book, that is Grafalco Preschool numbers 1 to 50, this one. Now open page number 22, this page. Now here, can you see these pictures? There are so many pictures, right? So what we have to do here, we have to count this. First one is strawberries. We have to count the strawberries, and we have to write how many strawberries are there in this box. We have to write the number in this box. Okay, so for example, I have made some pictures in the board, and now I will show you how you have to do this part. Now look at the board. The question is count and write the numerals. So I have made these pictures. So these all are what? These all are balls. So what we have to do? We have to count all the balls and we have to write the numbers. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this box, how many balls are there? 10 balls, right? So in these boxes you have to write the number, whatever the number came after counting this box, these balls, we have to write that number in this 2 box. So the number of balls are 10. So I have to write here 1 and 0 in this separate box. Now after that, after this, what are this? These all are stars. So let's count how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stars are there in this box. So I have to write here 1 and 2. 1 to 12. Okay. In this way you have to do in your book. Look, how many strawberries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In this box 13 strawberries are there. So write here 1 and in this box write 3. 1, 3, 13. Now how many ice creams? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 ice cream in this box. So write here 1 and 6. In this way do the rest of the part. This page is your homework. Now turn the page, come to the next page, that is page number 23. Now we will do this, count and match the numerals. So here are some pictures and here are some numbers. We have to count these pictures and we have to match with these numbers. Okay, so I have made some pictures and numbers in the board for example. Now I will show you how you will do this in your book. Now look here, these all are balls, right? So how many balls? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in this box how many balls are there? 14. So here are some numbers. So among these two numbers, which one is 14? This one. So we have to draw a line from here, from this dot to this dot. Okay. Now in second box, what are this? These all are stars. So let's count all the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in this box there are 20 stars. So what is 20? It is here. So from here, from this dot, I have to match up to this dot. So there are 20 stars. In this way you have to do this in your book. Now look at the book. Now here are in the first box there are some stars. Let's count how many stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 19 stars, and in this side is there number 19 is written here? Yes, it is here. So what you have to do? You have to draw a line from here to here. Now next picture is, what are these? These all are lollipops, right? So we have to count all the lollipops. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 lollipops are there in this box. Now here in this side number 15 is there? Yes, it is here. So draw a line from here to here. Okay, so in this way do the rest of the part. This page is also your homework. Okay students, now take out your general awareness book, this one, Easy Learning General Awareness. Now today we are going to learn about a new chapter, that is vegetables. Okay, this is your new chapter, page number 50. Open page number 50. Today we are going to learn about vegetables. But before that, I want to tell you something, that before coming to school, I went to a market, vegetable market, and from there I brought some vegetables for you. So, do you know the names of vegetables? Yes, we have already studied in nursery class, right? The names of vegetables, names of fruits, we have already learned about this, right? So now I have brought some vegetables for you. Now what you have to do, you have to identify those vegetables and tell me their names and colors of those vegetables. Okay, now I will show you some vegetables. Now look, what is this? Can you see this? Which vegetable is this? Yes, this is a potato, right? And what is the color of the potato? Golden, or golden color, right? Yellowish color, right? So this is a vegetable. Now I will show you another vegetable. Let me see who can say what is this. Yes, this is a tomato, right? And what is the color of a tomato? It's red. Look. So this is also a vegetable. Now what is this? Yes, this is a capsicum. Look, it smells like a chili, right? but it is not spicy like chili. Yes. So what is the color of a capsicum? It is green in color. Now next is, what is this? Which animal likes this vegetable very much? Rabbit like this vegetable very much. So can you name which vegetable is this? Yes, this is a carrot, right? So what is the color of a carrot? Orange. So this is also a vegetable. Now next is, what is this? This is a lady's finger. And what is the color of a lady's finger? Green. So this is also a vegetable. Next is, who can say this one? What is this? This is onion. We put onion in our food, right? In meat, fish, we use this onion, right? To make it tasty. So what is the color of an onion? It's pinkish in color, right? Look, pink color. So this is also a vegetable. Now tell me, what is this? This is a brinjal or eggplant. Do you love this? I love brinjal. Which color it is? It is purple color. So this is also a vegetable. Now what is this? This is a chili. It's very spicy, right? Is it very spicy or sweet? It's very spicy, right? So this is also a vegetable. And chili, what is the color of a chili? This chili, this is the color, green color. This one is green color, but we can see red color chili also. Yes. Now what is this? Look what I have brought for you. What is this? Oh, this is a pumpkin. And what is the color of this pumpkin? Orange. So this is also a vegetable. Now we will read this chapter. That is in page number 50. So can you see this picture? In this picture, this is Sahil and this is his grandmother. They went to a vegetable market to buy some vegetables. So from in this picture there are so many vegetables. Look. So you have to tell me the name of those vegetables. Okay. So I have shown you this one. What is this? This is pumpkin. Then I have shown you this one. This is potato, right? This is chili, and this is lady's finger. This one is tomato. Then this one is carrot. Now after this one is cabbage. Here this one is capsicum, and this one is radish, right? So there are so many vegetables. So when we want to buy some vegetables, where we have to go? We have to go to the vegetable market. From there we can buy our favorite vegetables. Okay. And also you have to learn all the names of the vegetables and their colors in your home, and try to identify the vegetables. Okay, when your father brought some vegetables, look at those vegetables and try to identify those vegetables. Like this, I have shown you like this. Suppose your father have brought this potato, so look at the potato and identify which vegetable is this, what is the color of these vegetables. Okay, and discuss, and also tell me about your favorite vegetables. Okay, so for today this much only. Thank you.